Jai Koti, good morning students. Yesterday we have discussed about the different types of soil. Today we'll talk about the conservation of land and soil. Before that, we'll take a look how the distribution of land in India. As land is used in India is 43% of a plain land, 27% is covered by the plateaus, and 30% of the land is in the mountainous region. More and more forests are being cleared to make way for the agriculture and the human settlements. Permanent pasture and grazing land need to be increased to feed the large livestock population in the country. This is the use of land further, but it needs to be conserved. As improper land use such as farming of marginal land and mining activities leading to the soil erosion must be avoided. To conserve our land resources, it is necessary to plan proper use of the available land. And the other conservation methods are land reclamation, wasteland reclamation, afforestation, use of improved farming methods, and check the soil erosion are some of the ways to be conserved land resource. Now we'll move towards the soil erosion. How to conserve the soil erosion and the soil exhaustion. In the previous classes we have studied about some of the conservation methods, the practices and the techniques. Yes, terrace farming, as we know, in the mountainous or the hilly areas, this farming is going to be practiced. Crop rotation means growing the same crop in a field for more than 2 years to be avoided. It is the best to alternate nitrogen fixing crops with grains and fiber crops so that the fertility is returned to the soil. The third practice or the technique is the strip cropping. In this method, the agriculture or the cultivation is done in alternate manner, or we can say it is in the strips wise. The next method, which is the windbreak. Windbreak are the crops which are planted on the margin of the fields, which acts like a windbreak when the winds going to be flow, and it slow down the runoff of the water and prevents the soil erosion too. Drip irrigation. In this method, the water is going to be poured slowly in the fields, thus that the flow of water can't run off with too much water. And afforestation. As we know, this is the best way for the conservation of the soil. Afforestation and the plantation in the areas, as you know, the roots fixed or bind the soil together and it prevents soil erosion. These are the conservation methods of land and soil. Thank you. Tomorrow will read the chapter, will send the PDF file, we will go through the chapter, and day after tomorrow we will come to the question answers. Thank you.